Okay, it's February 13th, 2011, and I am up in Baraboo, Wisconsin, and I am watching up in the sky a plane putting up a chemtrail. You can see, I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as I can, but that is a chemical trail that the plane is putting up. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to get the camera here to view this chemical trail. You see it being made there? I'm following the airplane. That is a chemical trail. That is not a contrail. That is a chemical trail that the plane is putting up. Alright, this is a continuation of the video that I took earlier. I've allowed the trail from that jet plane to dissipate a little bit, and notice something. It's spreading out and turning into a cloud. Look at this. It's turning into a cloud. I'm trying to do this slow. It is literally spreading out and turning into a cloud. What I want to do is try to turn the camera here and show you some other contrails that are actually chemical trails. These are some chemical trails that were here when I got here earlier, and look what they've done. They've spread out and they've turned into chemicals. They're turning into clouds. Look at this one over the top of the tree line over here. See this one over the top of the bus and the tree line? That one was a chemical trail, and it's literally turning into a cloud now. See that? See the one over there is turning into a cloud? See the one over here is turning into a cloud? Now take a look at this one here that I photographed earlier. This one is turning into a cloud. This is Baraboo, Wisconsin, by the way. If you'll just take a look and you'll see these are chemical trails. This is some kind of a formation for weather modification or for chemicals dumped on top of us to make us sick. I don't know. But I'm just showing you this. This is Baraboo, Wisconsin. Take a look at these chemical trails. Normal contrails don't do this. Okay? This is some kind of a chemical being dumped. Now I'm just waiting to see if another airplane passes and you'll see it again. Again, it's a continuation of what happened earlier. I went back on the bus and I was sitting there for this a half hour later. I came back out here and did some more video shooting. That is definitely a chemical trail being flown off by an airplane. Okay? Look at the narrow band. That is a chemical trail. See it? I want you to take a look at this. There were some more other chemical trails dumped when I was inside the bus, and you can see them. They've drifted. These are completely new chemical trails. Take a look at them. See them over the top of the trees over here? These are chemical trails. That fresh one that was just laid just now, you can see it at the top of the tree over there. You can see, I'm trying to follow this with the camera. It's so bright out here I can't see. That is a chemical trail. See how that one goes down over there? bends around. That is a chemical trail. The one over here is a chemical trail. These are chemical trails. They're turning into clouds because they're not mist from the back end of an airplane. These are chemicals. Look at how they spread out. See how they spread out? Look how they spread out. Okay, now what I want you to see over here, passing through the trees over here, see the line passing between the branches of the tree? That is a contrail. That is not a chemical trail. That is a high-flying jet airplane, and that high-flying airplane is leaving what they call a contrail. That is a contrail. See how the plane's moving very rapidly? It's got to be a military plane, because I'm telling you something, if that was a commercial airplane does not cross the sky that quickly. That plane is really moving out there. You can see it now. It's leaving a contrail. The trail is dissipating very quickly, and I don't know if you can see it through the tree line, but you can see the little white stripe. It's dissipating very, very quickly. That is a contrail. It's not a chemical trail.